everyone, good morning. It's quite an early start for me today. We've got a football match planned in the morning at the cage, which is a football turf here in Dehradun. Well, when I was playing the last time, it was I think about 8 or 10 days back. I suffered a minor ankle injury while playing, so I really hope that doesn't come into picture today. And it's still a bit sore, but I'll try and play with my left foot. A pretty long day ahead of us. We'll have a quick breakfast after the game, and we are planning to go to another hidden place here in Dehradun. It's a village nearby. So full disclaimer, I don't discover these places. I just happen to find them over YouTube. So shout out to all of the creators here in Dehradun who are doing this great job of finding these hidden places, and also shout out to my friends who come up with these ideas of going to these places and accompany me. So I'm really pumped for the day today. So one really good thing about mornings is that there's no traffic on the road. I mean, guys, trust me, in Dehradun the traffic has become really bad during the daytime. It's not at all a relaxing experience to drive, but as you can see, it's a beautiful morning today. Let's see if we can do all that has been planned. So I'll see you guys later. So we started a bit late and it's almost lunchtime now, so we have stopped here, the Pahalwan Dhaba. We're gonna have some food here and let's see how it goes. So guys, finally we have reached our destination. This is just beautiful. And I really dig that single tree over there. And I think that's the trail we're gonna use to go up. There's one more thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, which is about the 180-degree shutter rule. Since I'm not carrying my ND filter today, because you can't obviously carry everything in your camera bag, I am just cranking up my shutter speed today, and we will see how it turns out in post-production, because what I've read about Final Cut is that if you change the mode of the video to optical flow, even at higher shutter speeds the video is gonna look as smooth. So hopefully the video will pan out good, and I don't want to, I don't want to lose on the shallow depth of field. So to see more of such content and learn more about photography and cinematography, please do follow my channel, subscribe to it, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. So we have started our trek. The road, or the lack of it, doesn't even look good. Ooh, it's kind of difficult here. The only thing I'm regretting today is that we did not start this trek earlier in the morning. It's about 3 in the afternoon and it's really hot. According to the locals here, they said that this trek will be around 5 kilometers. So it shouldn't take us more than 40 to 45 minutes. So just 10 minutes into the trek, which is proving to be really difficult. We have come at this point and we talked about it, and I don't think it's advisable to go forward. We will have to cross this river to go further. There's no way around here. Rasta nahi hai. We can't go any further. We're gonna just sit here for some time, enjoy the nature. ये राइस के फील्ड है ना?
अरे रास्ता नहीं ऊपर।
मैं वही कह रहा था इसको, अनुराग को। सर कोई भी चल ले, सारे एक जगह ही जा रहे हैं।
सारे की जगह जा रहे हैं, आगे गांव वाले खड़े हैं सब चलने लगे।
भाले लेके। So I think finally we have reached the right place. This is a small canal. Walking for almost 1 hour in the scorching heat now, and now being under this shade of huge trees, it's feeling really good. Hope the videos are not coming out janky, because for this talking head shot I'm shooting at 30 frames per second, and according to the so-called 180-degree shutter rule, my shutter speed should be 1/60, but because of so much of light I've cranked it up to 1/500. So let's see if I'll be able to fix it in post-production or not. Full of sweat, but if you can hear the sound, this is the final payoff. It's completely awesome. It was totally unexpected. Let me just show you. We have to go back now because it's starting to get dark. We spent some time here chilling, soaking in the mother nature a lot, and making sure that we are not leaving any garbage behind us. So guys, please take care of that if you visit these kind of places. And I really love this waterfall. I don't even know what it is called, but it was amazing, literally amazing. We took some photos and it was really nice, and now it's time to head back.